Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you 3 important settings that you should enable if you want to farming more efficiently in Heartopia. So first, just open your settings like this. Just open your settings and then just head to the gameplay sections. This one, gameplay, and then in here, first setting is auto rotate camera when cooking. Just turn these settings off. These settings, this one. When you disabling it will keep your camera fixed in place instead of automatically rotating behind your character, and this makes cooking much more comfortable and prevents the camera from constantly moving around when you cook with many stoves. And then the second settings is tap the bubble button to pick this one. Turn this one on, because normally when you're holding a tool it can be annoying to collect fruits and other resources, and with these settings enabled a pick up icon will appear like this. You can pick any resources more easily when you holding the tools. For example, I want to hold my insect net like this, and when you close to the resources like this, the pickup icon will be appears this one, allowing you to gather items without putting your tool away first, and it saves a lot of time while farming. Like this, you can see it. You don't need to putting your tool. And then the third setting is food consumptions. Just tap on the settings again, and then just tap on home settings, and then in here add the consume food. This one. If you like sharing food with other players in your town, just set it to anyone like this, so everyone can eat the food that you place in your house. And if you only want friends to access it, just choose the friends only like this. And if you want to keep everything for yourself, just set it to self only like this. And okay, those are 3 simple settings that can make farming much easier and more convenient in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!